Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be exploring Microsoft Teams, a fantastic tool for hosting virtual team meetings. Whether you're coordinating with remote team members or collaborating on a project, Microsoft Teams offers a seamless way to stay connected. Let's dive in. Setting up your meeting. Open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the Calendar tab. Click New Meeting. Add a meeting title, invite participants, and set the date and time. You can also add a detailed description or agenda in the notes section. Sharing the meeting link. Once the meeting is scheduled, Microsoft Teams generates a unique link. Share this link with attendees via email or directly within Teams for easy access. Starting the meeting. At the scheduled time, click Join to start the meeting. Use the pre-join screen to adjust your camera and microphone settings. You can also blur your background or choose a virtual one for a more professional setup. Using meeting tools. During the meeting, utilize features like screen sharing, the chat panel, and file sharing to enhance collaboration. The raise hand feature is perfect for structured discussions, and breakout rooms allow for smaller group interactions. Recording and follow-up. If needed, record the meeting using the record button in the toolbar. Once the session ends, share the recording and meeting notes directly within Teams to keep everyone aligned. With its intuitive features and seamless integration, Microsoft Teams makes virtual meetings efficient and engaging. Do you use Microsoft Teams for your meetings? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.